In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best smart mobility scooters on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best smart mobility scooters on Amazon in 2026. Number 6, Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter for Seniors and Adults, 43 pounds foldable portable electric scooter, cruise and airline approved, removable lithium battery, 12.4 mile range, 300 pounds capacity, red. Lightweight and foldable design, weighs only 43 pounds and folds quickly for easy transport and compact storage. 12.4 mile travel range, removable lithium battery provides reliable power for daily errands, shopping, and travel. Cruise and airline approved, travel-friendly battery and compact design make it ideal for cruises, flights, and vacations. 300 pounds weight capacity, durable frame offers stable, comfortable support for a wide range of users. Easy-to-use controls, simple controls and smooth steering provide confident operation indoors and outdoors. Portable everyday mobility, perfect for seniors and adults seeking greater independence for travel, shopping, parks, and everyday use. The Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter is designed to provide convenient, reliable mobility for seniors and adults on the go. Weighing just 43 pounds, this foldable electric scooter is easy to lift, transport, and store, making it an excellent choice for travel, shopping, and everyday outings. Its removable lithium battery delivers a travel range of up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, helping you stay active and independent throughout the day. Built with a sturdy frame supporting up to 300 pounds, the Sugogo scooter combines comfort, stability, and user-friendly control. Number 5, ScootNGo Mobility Scooter for Seniors and Adults, foldable, airline approved, 44 pounds lightweight 4-wheel electric scooter, portable for travel, with removable battery and USB port. Airline approved design, travel-friendly mobility scooter suitable for flights. Always confirm airline battery policies before travel. Ultra lightweight, 44 pounds, easy to lift, transport, and store in cars, closets, or travel spaces. Foldable 4-wheel design quickly folds for convenient portability while providing excellent stability. Removable rechargeable battery allows convenient charging on or off the scooter. USB charging port, charge compatible mobile devices while on the go. Comfortable padded seat, designed for comfortable everyday riding and extended outings. Easy to operate controls, simple steering and speed controls, suitable for seniors and adults. Portable travel scooter, ideal for shopping, vacations, airports, cruises, parks, and daily errands. Durable modern construction, built for reliable everyday performance with a sleek contemporary design. The ScootNGo foldable mobility scooter is a lightweight and portable mobility solution designed to help seniors and adults travel with greater independence and confidence. Weighing just 44 pounds, this compact scooter is easy to lift, transport, and store, making it an excellent choice for daily use and frequent travelers. Its airline-approved design and removal. Number 4, VOCIC Mobility-Scooters for Adults, Seniors, Mobility Scooter, carbon fiber, lightweight electric scooter with seat, adult motorized scooter, 46 pounds. 4-wheel powered mobility scooters, electric wheelchair. Ultra lightweight carbon fiber frame, weighs only 46 pounds for easy lifting, transport, and storage. Durable carbon fiber construction, strong, lightweight design built for long-lasting performance. 4-wheel stability provides enhanced balance and confidence on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Comfortable padded seat, ergonomic seating supports comfortable rides during daily activities. Portable and travel-friendly compact design is ideal for travel, shopping, vacations, and everyday use. Powerful electric drive delivers smooth and reliable performance for daily mobility needs. Easy-to-use controls, simple steering and speed controls for convenient operation. Compact folding design, easy to transport and store in vehicle trunks or small spaces where applicable. Modern stylish design, sleek appearance with premium materials for a contemporary look. The VOCIC carbon fiber mobility scooter is designed for adults and seniors seeking a lightweight, portable, and dependable mobility solution. Constructed with a premium carbon fiber frame, this innovative scooter weighs only 46 pounds, making it significantly easier to lift, transport, and store compared to many traditional mobility scooters. Its four-wheel design provides excellence. Number 3, WalkFeel four-wheel mobility scooter, 400 lb capacity, heavy-duty electric scooter for adults with adjustable seat and 27.6-inch armrest spacing. Powered mobility scooters for commuting, community, and outdoor camping. Blue Point 400 lb weight capacity heavy-duty frame provides dependable support for larger users. Point 4-wheel stable design offers enhanced balance and stability for indoor and outdoor use. Adjustable comfortable seat, customized seating position for improved comfort during long rides. Point 27.6-inch wide. Armrest spacing, spacious seating area provides added comfort and easier accessibility. Powerful electric drive system, smooth and reliable performance for daily commuting and recreation. Ideal for outdoor and community use, great for shopping, parks, neighborhoods, camping, and everyday travel. Easy to operate, controls, intuitive steering and speed controls make driving simple and convenient. Number 2, Paiseec S3 mobility scooter for seniors. 25 miles long-lasting mobility scooter, foldable, lightweight travel scooter for seniors, 300 pounds capacity, AI speed control, 250W motor, gray, 25 miles up to 25-mile driving range, long-lasting battery, supports extended daily travel on a single charge. Lightweight foldable design, folds easily for convenient storage, transport, and travel. Point 300 lb weight capacity, durable frame provides reliable support for a wide range of users. Point 250W high efficiency motor delivers smooth, dependable performance for everyday mobility. AI speed control, intelligent speed management helps provide a safer and more comfortable riding experience. Travel-friendly mobility scooter, ideal for shopping, vacations, parks, airports, and everyday errands. Comfortable ergonomic seating designed for enhanced comfort during longer rides. Easy to use controls, simple operation makes it suitable for seniors and first-time users. Stylish gray finish, modern, durable design with a sleek appearance. The Paiseec S3 foldable mobility scooter is designed to provide seniors and adults with reliable, comfortable, and portable mobility for everyday life. Featuring a 25-mile maximum travel range, this lightweight electric scooter allows users to travel farther with confidence, making it ideal for shopping trips, outdoor activities, vacations, and daily errands. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transportation and storage simple, allowing the scooter to fit easily into most vehicle trunks or compact storage spaces. Powered by a dependable 250W motor, the S3 delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance across a variety of paved surfaces. The scooter's AI speed control technology intelligently manages speed to enhance rider comfort and improve overall driving confidence. Supporting up to 300 pounds, the durable frame is built for long-term reliability while maintaining excellent portability, comfortable seating, and Number 1, Pride Revo 2.0 four-wheel mobility scooter, 400 pounds weight capacity, comfort track suspension, heavy-duty electric mobility scooter, blue. 400 lb weight capacity, heavy-duty design provides reliable support for a wide range of users. 4-wheel stability, four-wheel configuration offers enhanced balance and confidence on various surfaces. Comfort track suspension, advanced suspension system helps deliver a smoother and more comfortable ride. Comfortable padded seat, ergonomic seating provides support during extended travel. Heavy-duty performance, built for dependable daily use both indoors and outdoors. Easy to operate controls, user-friendly steering and controls simplify everyday operation. Durable construction, high-quality materials designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Modern blue finish, stylish appearance with a durable exterior design. 5-year extended warranty, added peace of mind with extended warranty coverage, where applicable. The Pride Revo 2.0 four-wheel mobility scooter is designed to provide outstanding comfort, stability, and dependable mobility for everyday use. Featuring a robust 400-pound weight capacity, this heavy-duty scooter is engineered to accommodate a wide range of users while delivering reliable performance both indoors and outdoors. Its comfort track suspension system helps absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smoother ride across sidewalks, shopping centers, paved paths, and other common terrain. The